Did you know you can make up to $500 per day on Fiverr without any skills and without any experience? Yes, and AI is changing everything, and right now people are paying for simple AI generated services. And in this video, I'll show you guys step by step exactly how to use AI free tools to create high demand Fiverr gigs that sell. Stick around because I'll reveal an easiest AI gigs, how to set them up, and how you can get sales fast, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you guys want to start making some serious money with Fiverr without any skills and without any experience, just by using AI. Okay, let's get started. First, you guys need to create an account with Fiverr. So just go to Google if you are new and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. Just sign up using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, go to for, let me show you, go over here to for freelancers and click on this one, become a Fiverr freelancer. Okay, and you need to set up your seller account. It's super easy and simple. You will just need to follow a few steps, and that's it. Okay, after you finish, you will have a seller account and the service, AI service, that you guys can start selling on Fiverr. It's super easy to make, and it's easy, and it's a profitable, and doesn't have a lot of competition. Okay, because it's still a new service that just started growing. Okay, and it will be really better for you if you started selling the service from today after you watching this video, because you will rank your Fiverr gig and you will start getting orders because you started early. Okay, so here is the service, guys. Click on the search, let me show you, and we will search for AI avatar. Okay, let's search for AI avatar, and here you go. You guys will start providing AI avatars as a service on Fiverr. You guys can see here just over 1,000 people who provide this service. So it's almost no competition. It's not like other services, for example, like logo design, or let's search, for example, for logo design so you can get a clear idea. Okay, if we search for logo design, you guys can see here, look how many people provide this service. You guys can see there is a lot of competition, but you can still rank, but it's really hard. It's hard to rank with those sellers. Okay, because there is a lot of competition. Look how many people provide this service. Over 114,000 people provide this service. Okay, it's not like this one. It's not like AI avatar. Okay, you guys can see, comparing logo design to AI avatar, you see here just over 1,000 people who starts providing this service on Fiverr. So there is not a lot of there is almost no competition, and you guys can start ranking high in the search results of Fiverr for people who search for AI avatar, and start getting orders and start making money with this AI service. Okay, if we scroll down, you can see just few people who provide this service, not a lot of people. For example, like this one, guys, you see, for example, this one is level 2 seller. Let's check this AI avatar service, or his service. You guys can see this person, this seller, is providing this service for the basic package. It's starting from $85. Okay, which is really amazing. It's really a profitable. You guys can see just 30-second running time, just for 30-second AI avatar video, $85. Okay, which is really a profitable service that you guys can start. It's so simple to make like those AI avatars. Okay, let's check this one, for example.
Hi, my name is Alper, and I create lifelike AI avatars that bring your message to life in a unique and
you guys can see those AI avatars, they are super easy to make. Okay, what you need to do to make like those AI avatars, it's super easy. You will go to Google, let me show you, and you will search for Canva. Search for this website like this, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. It's for free, and after you finish, this will be your home page, like I said. And what you will do next, you will click here on video. Click on video here, and click over here on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page over here. What you will do next, you have here design, you have elements, text. Scroll down here and go to apps. Okay, go over here to apps like this and search for this AI tool. Search for this one, AI presenter. Okay, and this is the AI tool that you guys can start using on Canva, okay, to create AI avatars. Click on the first one here like this, and here you go. So we will use just Canva and this to make those AI avatars super easy and simple. Okay, and here you go. You should see a bar like this after you click on AI presenters. Okay, you have here avatars. So you have two options. You guys can upload the picture that your customer, for example, want to use, or you can provide your own pictures from Canva. If you click here on see all, we can see here a lot of avatars that we can use. You guys can see here we have a lot that we can use. Okay, also you can click here on premium and you have more good and engaging AI avatars that you also can use. Okay, and you have premium here also provide a lot of AI avatars that you can use. Okay, so let's go for example to all over here, and let me show you. I'm gonna choose one of those AI over here, AI avatars pictures here. So for example, let's scroll down. You just need to choose a picture of the AI avatar that you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna use this one here. You guys can see I will use this one. Just click on the avatar that you want to use and click on use avatar. Okay, and here you go. So we will use this one. Scroll down, put your text here. The text that your customer will send you on Fiverr, you will put your text here. So for example, I'm going to use this text over here, guys. Okay, I'm going to use, for example, this one. I will delete this. Okay, I will use this text. I will scroll down, okay, and I will go over here to language. You guys can choose which language your customer wants. So if your customer wants, for example, he wants, for example, Arabic AI avatar, or he wants English, Spanish, French. You can use the language from here. Okay, so I will just keep using English United States. Scroll down, you have here the voice. You guys can change and choose which voice you want to use. They have different voiceovers, you can see. They have also women voiceovers and man voiceovers. So you can choose, okay? So for example, I'm gonna choose Andreu. Let's choose this one, Andreu, okay? I'm gonna choose this one and scroll down, and here you go. All you need to do next, you just need to click on generate. Okay, I will click for example on preview speech. Let's see.
Hey there. Welcome to this test video.
Okay, that's really good. The voiceover is good. So what I will do, I will click next on generate. Okay, and you just need to wait few seconds for your AI avatar video to be done. Okay, so I will show you guys the final result. And here you go, guys. Our AI avatar video is done. I will click on the AI. You will click on set video as background. Okay. So the video is too much long, so I'm gonna click here. Let me go back. Okay. I will make the video like this to show you. Okay. You can edit the video, the size of the video. Okay. Anyway, so let's check the video now, and let me know, guys, what's your opinion and what do you think about this AI avatar. Okay, let's check.
Hey there. Welcome to this test video. This is just a quick demo to see how the AI avatar performs. I'm testing the voice, lip sync, and overall animation to make sure everything looks smooth and natural.
You guys can see they are super easy to make just in few minutes. You can just make, just give it just few minutes, you can make it even better. You can make different AI avatars, you can use different English, and you can start providing this as a service on Fiverr. There is not a lot, there is almost no competition. It's still new. You will be really good after just few months. You will rank, you will start getting orders, and you will make a lot of money. You can make up to $500 per day just with this service. Okay, it's super easy to make.
Hey there.
Look at
Welcome to this test video. This is just a quick demo to see how the AI avatar performs. I'm testing the voice, lip sync, and overall animation to make sure everything looks smooth and natural.
You guys can see after you finish, you can just click here on share, and you can click on download, and this AI avatar video will be downloaded into your laptop. You can go to Fiverr, set up your seller account, and start providing this service like this person here. You guys can see this one here. He has 3 orders in queue. People are paying for those AI avatars. Okay, look this, 3 orders in queue. For example, if just for $85 for just 30-second running time, 30-second video, is selling this AI avatar service for $85. Okay, you guys can make some. Look how many reviews, look how many people already paid for this service. 112 people. Okay, you see this, 112 people paid for this service. So this seller is really making good money every day, okay, from those simple easy AI avatars videos. They are super easy to make, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. I will start sharing a lot of new videos. Also guys, to rank your Fiverr gig and create a good one, go to Fiverr. If you want to start providing this as a service, you will go to Fiverr, search for AI avatars, and get inspired by those sellers who already are providing this service. Okay, look, pay close attention to their titles, which keywords they are using in their titles. If you scroll down, which keywords they are using in their description, make a good description like this. If you scroll, go and make good profile like this one. Okay, use good picture, good information here. What do you provide? Good description about the service that you are providing. Create good packaging on for this service that you want to start selling on Fiverr. You see this, and that's it. Okay, you guys can see he is getting reviews. People started paying money for those AI avatars videos, and that's it guys. That's how you can start making money on Fiverr online with AI services. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment Fiverr or comment make money or passive income, and they will start making a lot of new videos and sharing with you guys how we can start making money online with a lot of methods. That's it, and see you in my next videos.